Hello student, this is Krishnanand Singh, your coach, mentor, and I am going to discuss your post-NATA exam today here with you, how you can score 150 plus, 180 plus in the next round. Most of the students, they are expecting right now after the first round of the exam, they can score better in second round, and that's what the plan's supposed to be. So what I see the student feedback, question pattern, based on that, in this video, we will get to know, we will try to set the strategy and planning for next round, and those important discussion, important questions are which a student have face in a exam. So we'll summarize it. So overall pattern, if we say part A and part B all together, it was easier than the last year. Why we are comparing from last year? Because this syllabus has been introduced last year itself, and from there it's followed by. So what is the question pattern is, if you are just going to write the July exam directly, or might be you are followed by June and July you are writing it, see your questions are 2 marks, 3 marks and 1 marks. You don't have questions here more than that. So it is not, you cannot compare your paper from previous year, like apart from the last year pattern. But this year, in compared to last year, your cognitive test questions are easier. Again, you have just 30-second time, but quick realization, you can solve that question. Out of 10, 7 or 8 is question, most of the students feel like, they have solved it correctly. So that one need more and more practice. So how you can solve out of 10, 10. Because there are students who just solve the 5. So Ignite India app will have such multiple series of the question which will help you to practice and do well, as well as your part A logical, where 3 marks, 2 marks, 1 mark questions is there from math portion largely, and then the architecture questions are there more, buildings and all, and the GS part of the certain. So those also in the series we have, and obviously for a math as well. So these set of the question will help you to score better in next round. And I'm expecting, I've seen thrilling students who went here inside the exam center and they wrote the exam. They have done really well. So I'm expecting you guys also to do the same. Contact the Ignite India team. Get your mock paper today itself, download the Ignite India app and get access of these material, because this is something will be a mantra for you to get a good score. If you are looking for 180 plus, you are looking for 150 plus, you want to get in top colleges, yes, we will give you exactly what happens in this exam, today exam, based on that the fresh pattern question also, what needed there, as well as we'll be helping you more into how to score better quickly and correctly in your entrance test. Because entrance exam is not just about to solving the paper, it's about how quickly, how you manage your paper better. A few of the students have lacked managing the paper, so how we'll manage well to solve this, that also will do it. So let's meet me in Ignite India classes, meet the Ignite India team for your architecture class, and make yourself next topper. We'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.